Hello students, welcome to the session of basic geometrical ideas. Today we are going to discuss about circles. Actually the first problem in exercise 4.6, from the figure identify the center of circle, 3 radii, a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior and a sector. Next one is a segment. These are all we are going to discuss. First, what is circle? A circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point. Here, our question is actually identify the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So, the first subdivision answer, O is the center of the circle. What is our second subdivision? We have to calculate the radii. What is radii actually? The fixed point is the center, the fixed distance is the radius and the distance around the circle is called the circumference. Here we are going to mention the radius. Actually OA is one radius, OB is one radius and OC is also one radius. So the radius OA, OB and OC are 3 radii of the circle. The third subdivision, a diameter. Actually, what is diameter? A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. Here we are having AC is the diameter of the circle. So, mention it. This line AC is the diameter of the circle. And the fourth subdivision, chord. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So, ED is the chord of a circle. ED is a chord of a circle. And the E subdivision, 2 points in the interior. Actually, interior means inside of the figure only. Here we have 2 points. One point is O, another one point is P. So, O and P is in interior of the circle. And the F subdivision, a point in the exterior. Only one point we are having exterior, Q. So, Q is the exterior point. And the next one, G. Actually, what is sector? A sector is a region in the interior of the circle enclosed by actually arc and one side and a pair of radii of the other two sides. Actually, a sector is a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides. Here, what is the sector actually? OAB is the shaded portion. No, that is actually sector. OAB is the sector of a circle. And the final one, a segment. Here, what is segment actually? A segment of a circle is region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Here we mention one portion. No, this is ED portion. This is actually segment. So the segment is ED. Second problem, is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? The first subdivision actually, yes, the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. And the next one, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, it is not possible. No, every chord of a circle is not also a diameter. So we have to mention for this, the first subdivision A answer is yes, the diameter is the longest chord. Longest chord of a circle. And the second subdivision, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No, it is not correct. So the answer is no. Every chord of a circle is not also a diameter. Third problem, draw any circle and mark its center, radius, diameter, sector, segment a point in its interior, a point in its exterior, and an arc. First I am going to draw one circle. So first choose the center point. This is actually a center point. So using this point I am going to draw one circle. Okay. O is the center of a circle. Okay. Next, what is the second one? We are going to draw one radius. So this point actually P. P is on the circle. O is the center of the circle. OP is radius. Another one, third one is actually diameter. We just extend this line, means that is actually diameter. Give some name. This is Q. So O is the center of the circle, OP is radius, PQ is diameter. And the next one, sector. We are going to draw a sector now. So sector is the region between an arc and the two radius of the circle. So we just join this one. This is actually sector. Okay, this part is actually a sector. This is radius. This one is center. This whole part is actually diameter. Okay. Another one, what is that? Sector finished, and another one is segment. Actually segment is take any 2 points on the circle. Suppose MN. MN is actually chord. The region between an arc and the chord is actually a segment. This part is actually segment. Okay. The next one, a point in its interior. The next one is a point in its exterior. We just mention any one point. This is actually R. Here we have to mention one point, that is T. So this point is in interior, this point is exterior. And another one is arc. We have to mention one arc. Suppose we just give some name. This is E and F. So EF is an arc. Actually arc is a piece of a circle only, piece of a part of a circle only. So this is arc. O is the center of the circle, OP radius, PQ diameter, O give some name here, UV. This OUV is actually sector. Another one, MN part is actually segment, EF part is arc. That's all.